gosh.
That was a big one. We're reaching more people and being able to contextualize very complicated topics in a way that people can understand. I'm Jim Slocum. I'm the Chief Information Officer at OneUnited Bank. OneUnited is America's leading community development financial institution. We've been promoting financial literacy for decades now. We're helping the members of our community by building financial services that meet their needs and meet them where they are. We're leveraging generative AI to provide customers with financial literacy topics, personalized information, and doing that in context that they can understand. With only 150 employees, managing a doubling of your customer base is not something we're going to be able to hire our way out of. Everything as it came to the call center felt urgent, but it was clear that our most acute problem was on the phones. We had about a 14% abandonment rate coming into the call center, and we needed to respond. So we deployed Google's Contact Center AI and leveraged Dialogflow to help us handle customer problems by them stating what their problem was. Instead of a customer trying to take their problem from their head and figure out where in the phone tree it belonged, we wanted them to simply tell us what the problem was. The introduction of the Contact Center AI technology has helped us reduce talk times for our call center agents from 6 minutes down to 4. That's a 33% decrease in talk time. That means that they're getting to more calls in a day than they used to before. Additionally, since we've been able to solve this routing problem of getting customers to the right skilled agent, we've been able to reduce our onboarding time for new call center agents from weeks down to days. We're able to appropriately size our customer care organization against the actual problems and volume of calls coming in through the call center. With customer growth came an increase in our fraud cases. We reused the authentication mechanisms inside Dialogflow to ensure that we knew who the customer was that was filing dispute cases, and that kind of kicked off a downstream workflow for us. We used application integration from Google to connect our various enterprise resources and pull together all of our customer data, and we used Gemini then to analyze it so that when our loss mitigation team had all of the data along with Gemini's rolled up risk summary, it's allowed us to not only review those high dollar fraud case volumes, but be able to connect the dots around someone maybe filing 3 or 4 different disputes over a 4 or 5 day period. We're actually able to review every single fraud case that comes in. By leveraging Gemini to do the first pass, we're actually able to surface up the most critical cases and make sure that we're protecting our customers and getting them their funds back where necessary, and we're stopping the fraud when it's happening. One of the things OneUnited's done is leverage Apogee to bring together the various APIs of our enterprise systems and deliver a much more rich mobile experience for our customers. Instead of information being locked away in one of our enterprise systems, we now are able to bring that forward and deliver a very unique experience. We're building out a conversational agent inside of our mobile app called WiseOne. With WiseOne, we're able to help our customers with important topics like managing their finances, but what we really believe we're going to be able to do is connect customers and drive better outcomes for more people. Now that we're operating on Google Cloud, we're innovating faster. We're able to actually get more done more quickly because all of these tools are on one platform. With Google Cloud, OneUnited Bank is creating a new way to engage with your finances.